It's Rick here. Welcome back to This Kid's Life. And you might, oh my gosh, it's so light out here. So you might remember Maui and Koa from 2 of my videos. Actually 3 of my videos, because Maui was in a short. Like a long time ago, like months ago. He was in a YouTube short months ago. Like a long time ago. He was in a YouTube short, but Koa only got an appearance once. So Maui, this is his 3rd time for this channel. And Koa, this is his 2nd. I already did a video on both of them, but now we're gonna talk about both of their crimes that they've committed. So let's get into it. Okay, so starting off, we're gonna start with the oldest dog, Maui. Maui's crimes are really, Maui, he's a really good boy, but his crimes say suppose otherwise. Okay, so starting off, Maui has torn up a cushion not once. Maui has torn up a cushion not once, not twice, but 3 times. 3 times. He's torn up a cushion 3 times. The little doofus. Well, my big doofus. And then also, Maui has also when Koa was bugging him, Maui went like this. And I was about to bite him, but I stopped him before he could get to it. Now Koa's crimes, Maui has been a good boy. He is a lovely little dog, but Koa, Maui's hand in hand in doing crime. Well, he's committed more than I can think. Pooping in the house for like the millionth time. We've had him for like 2 months now. We got him in, September. Got him in September, and it's October while I'm filming this. Right, it is. I don't know when this video will get out there, but all I know is this video will come. I don't know if Koa will be potty trained by the time this video actually gets posted. Yeah, I don't know if he's gonna be potty trained. So he's pooped in the house multiple times. Thank God he's not like that with peeing. He's bit me so hard. In the nose, ear, butt. And yeah, Koa just likes to deal pain. And he's annoying to Maui. It's been 4 minutes. So we're just gonna give you some footage of the 2 doofuses outside. Yes, that's what we're doing. Oh, my baby boy. Yes. Yes. Bye. Oh, my baby boy. Oh my gosh, he's coming. The man, the myth, the legend, Koa. He's coming. What's that in your... Hey, you're eating a leaf? Get that out of your mouth. Let's check on how Maui's doing. He's just walking around. Like, he's like, what is this place? This is a new area for me. Even though he's been living, even though Maui has known me since 2019, 5 years ago. And if you're watching this in 2025, then 6 years ago. But by the time I'm recording this, 2024, it's been 5 years since I've known Maui. He's been in this backyard for 5 years. We love him. He's a good little boy. What's Maui staring at? Where is Koa? Koa? Is he in the bush? I think he's in the bush. What the heck? Koa, is that you in the bush? Koa? Yeah, I think that's him. Who's that? Is that him? Yeah, it is. Koa! Come on! Koa! Yep, there he is. So Maui has this habit of going into bushes in our backyard and just staying there for like a minute, for like 2 minutes or longer sometimes. Koa's gotten that habit too. See, this is what I mean. So, yeah, by the time this video actually gets posted, I'll probably give you guys updates on, probably during shorts, I'll give you guys updates on how these two doofuses are doing and what they get into. But well, that was this month's episode. Well, not episode, but this is this month's video for This Kid's Life. This is the 4th video about dogs. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button. Just smash it and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next month. I post 1 video per month and one YouTube short, or like 2 1 video per month and 2 YouTube shorts. So yeah, subscribe, hit that like button, so you get notified whenever I post something new, and see you next time. Bye bye.